YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my monthly zine. And sorry about my voice. It's fluctuating. It's getting a little better. I just gargled, and so I can talk a little bit better today. But anyway, I have laryngitis, so sorry. But this is my zine. We're doing a collab for the rest of the year. TellHimThanku and Tina, and I just use some graphic 45 paper in the back, and just marked it with a gold pen. And I just some dollar store stickers, and just some different washi tape that I got from Hobby Lobby, and made it quick and simple. And this is how we're looking up with some word stickers on it. And it's coming off. I gotta glue it down better. There you go. Okay. I told you I did this one quick. And then I tried to get a copy and couldn't get a copy because they closed today. What's the name of that place? Office Back. So anyway, this is how it looks. So it just is think differently. You got this in a tennis shoe. Opens up like that. And then this is not sticking down well, as you can see. But it looks like that. Two-piece like that. Then it goes here. Alright, like that. But I couldn't get a copy. No one took a copy. I'm out of ink, so you can see it didn't come out well. I had more paper. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head when I open back up tomorrow and get my copies made, so I can send them out to my partners, because I normally go there each month, get them made on semi-gloss paper, and they come out really well. So a zine is just a short form magazine. It's just the way you fold the paper. You can use different size paper. It just has eighths, fold into eighths. And then you can make a zine and decorate however you want. Simple, complicated, but the whole goal is to add dimension to your paper. So when you copy, you send that copy one to your zine, not this. And it just looks dimensional. So even though this was done on my home computer, you see how that looks like it's dimensional. That's what you want to happen. So anyway, that's going in the trash. Sorry, terrible video, but anyway, try one out. They're kind of fun to make. If you like making pocket letters or ATCs, iCads, that's my computer. You would like making iCads, check out the names of the women in the list below and see what they made for this month as well. Alright, thanks for watching.